my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
Hey guys, it's your boy LSRY254, but this video series is going over the rim. We're having to do some maintenance. If you're not familiar, I have a 2017 Ram as my daily. BM 5.7. Just recently had to change out the battery. It lived its life for years and running. So I thought I'd point out some things under the hood of your Ram truck that you may or may not know that's important for maintenance. If your wiper fluid is low, you want to come right here on the very front as you approach the truck. So once your wiper fluid, pop it open right in there. Now, if you ever in the occasion need to add any if you need to add any coolant, a lot of times you will see a coolant reservoir over here, but as you can see, it is non-existent. That's because on this specific year of the Ram, it has been added right here. So you never want to open this while it's hot. At all, unless you did a full flush and you need to fill it through the radiator. Add some through here. Consult your user manual as needed. This right here is going to be your oil filter. Not oil filter. This right here is going to be your air filter. Should be changed out pretty regularly. I plan on going with a cold air intake here pretty soon. The S&D model pulls air right here from the side. Very nice setup there. So I plan to run it in the future, but for right now I still have everything stocked pretty much under the hood. This is going to be your engine oil dipstick here. You're able to pull it. You can look at the condition of your oil. We should be coming up due for an oil change here pretty soon. You can look at the color of your oil, smell if it's burnt, etc., etc. Your usual interval on newer engines can be anywhere to 5,000 to 7,000 miles. The owner manual says 10,000 miles. I personally would not go that far, but you know, at the end of the day, it is up to you. Now, another question that a lot of people ask is where or what type of oil goes in my vehicle. Well, if you look right here on the top of the engine, there is an engine oil fill cap, which if you remove it, you'll see right here is going to have, the title of what it is, engine oil, and it's going to tell you the recommended viscosity of oil that needs to go into your vehicle. And it also has the emblem to where if you have any further questions, please consult your owner's manual. Let's put that back on there. On this specific vehicle, there is not a place where you can check your transmission fluid. It's filled actually on the transmission, but there is no dipstick. So don't want you guys looking for something that is not there. It is non-existent. There's actually a nice bit of room in this engine bay. Being it was a new truck, I bought it. I mean, I never had to really just be up under the hood. But I mean, once you remove that fan shroud and the clutch fan, I mean, it does look like it would get the job done. Let's see. This is gonna be where you add any brake fluid. There are, let's see what this one is. Sometimes it has a little dipstick on it that'll tell you where your level should be. this tells you the max right there on the side and the minimum of where it should be. So we're in a good spot, not having any issues there. Probably gonna have a video coming soon of changing out the brakes and potentially the rotors on this vehicle, because it is about that time. Had it for 3 years, and now we're actually having to get into doing some maintenance. You don't always want to wait until something goes wrong. You know what I'm saying? If you can, you want to catch it before, you know, before it gets to that point. Let's see. There's gonna be a fuse box where fuses are. If you're sometimes having electrical issues with your car, you can open up this thing here. It has the actual layout. A lot of people are like, well, how do I know which fuses go where? This right here gives you a layout of where all your fuses are under the hood. A lot of vehicles have 2 fuse boxes. One is under the hood, another one is in the vehicle. So consult your owner's manual on that as well. This, let's see, a lot of people are confused on engine size and such. Sometimes they try to look right here and see if it's a sticker. This one in particular, Hemi V57 V8. All of them will not say it on the cover like that. Some of them will say like 24 valve, 16 valve, or something crazy. That's not what the parts guy needs to know. On this specific vehicle, it's a sticker right here. And it says engine size right there. Engine size 5.7. So even if you didn't have a cover, or if it was aftermarket, and you haven't done an LS swap, and it can be found on that sticker right there on the hood. So I want to say that pretty much covers everything. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm just kind of poking around, looking under the hood, because like I said, I bought the truck brand new, so I've never just really been up under here to look and be like, ooh, it's a lot of room in here. A lot of room. All right, guys, well, until next time, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss another video. Next up in the video series, we're going to be changing out wiper blades on the rail. Thanks for watching.